Hello, I'm Ben from Easyframe. Here's a tutorial on how to attach your hanging fixtures to your frame. First of all, you need to determine which type of hanging fixtures you have been provided with. If your frame has arrived with D-rings and screws, then you will need to tape up the back of your frame first. A link to this can be found below. If you have the slide-on hangers, then keep watching. Our wood picture frames are supplied with hanging fixtures suitable for the individual frame. Thinner moulding profiles are supplied with slide-over hangers which simply slide over the MDF prior to being fitted, one on each side, about a third from the top. These will appear to slide up and down. This will stop once you have tied the cord securely after passing through the loops, so make sure you have the hangers in the correct position. Wider profile mouldings are supplied with D-rings and screws, with the screws going directly into the moulding, one on each side, about a third from the top. Always make sure you are fitting the screws into the deepest part of the moulding. The supply cord is then passed through the D-rings or slide over hangers and tied securely. We hope you found this useful. We have a couple more videos accompanying this one which are there to demonstrate how to tape up your frame and how to fit your artwork into a wooden frame. Leave a like on the video and let us know how attaching your hanging fixtures went in the comments below. Thank you for watching this tutorial by Easyframe.